Welcome! In this video, you'll learn how to clear condensate drain line for your air conditioner. Begin by turning off the air conditioner at the wall switch before cleaning the drain line. Locate the condensate drain line beneath the indoor unit so the cleaning point is clearly visible. Disconnect the drain line from the outlet beneath the unit to open the line for cleaning. Insert the soft brush into the open drain line until the bristles enter the pipe fully. Push the brush through the drain line to loosen buildup along the inner surface of the pipe. Reconnect the drain line to the outlet beneath the unit to restore the condensate path. Finally, turn on the air conditioner at the wall switch to restore normal cooling operation.